Europe is known for its breathtaking natural landscapes, charming cities, and rich cultural heritage. While beauty is subjective, here is a list of 15 countries in Europe that are often regarded as some of the most beautiful. Number 1. Norway. With its majestic fjords, dramatic mountains, and picturesque coastal towns, Norway is a paradise for nature lovers. Number 2. Italy. A captivating country in southern Europe, is renowned for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and world-famous cuisine, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience. From the iconic cities of Rome, Florence, and Venice to the picturesque Amalfi Coast and the culinary delights of Tuscany, Italy offers a diverse and unforgettable experience for travelers. Its cultural heritage, art treasures, and vibrant atmosphere make it a destination that truly captures the heart. Number 3. Greece. Known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and ancient ruins, Greece's islands and the mainland are incredibly alluring. Number 4. Switzerland. Famous for its pristine alpine landscapes, Switzerland boasts stunning mountains, shimmering lakes, and charming alpine villages. Number 5. France. From the romantic city of Paris to the lavender fields of Provence and the dazzling French Riviera, France offers diverse landscapes and architectural wonders. Number 6. Iceland. With its otherworldly landscapes including volcanoes, glaciers, geysers, and waterfalls, Iceland is a unique and breathtaking destination. Number 7. Scotland. Home to rugged highlands, mystical castles, and serene lochs, Scotland's untouched beauty is truly captivating. Number 8. Croatia. With its stunning Adriatic coastline, crystal-clear waters, and charming old towns such as Dubrovnik and Split, Croatia is an enchanting destination. Number 9. Ireland. From its lush green countryside and dramatic coastal cliffs such as the Cliffs of Moher to its charming villages and historic castles, Ireland is a land of natural beauty. Number 10. Spain. Spain offers diverse beauty from the vibrant city of Barcelona to the sun-soaked beaches of Costa del Sol and the breathtaking landscapes of Andalusia. Number 11. Austria. Known for its stunning alpine scenery, Austria is home to charming cities like Vienna and Salzburg, as well as picturesque mountain villages. Number 12. Portugal. With its golden beaches, colorful cities like Lisbon and Porto, and historic sites such as Sintra, Portugal is a hidden gem of natural and architectural beauty. Number 13. Sweden. From the pristine archipelagos of Stockholm to the remote wilderness of Lapland, Sweden's natural beauty and vibrant cities are a sight to behold. Number 14. Czech Republic. The fairy tale-like city of Prague, with its historic architecture and cobblestone streets, makes the Czech Republic a visually stunning destination. Number 15. Montenegro. Nestled along the Adriatic Sea, Montenegro offers stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and medieval towns like Kotor.